We've been hearing that Lagoon is going to build a themed roller coaster inside a large fake mountain in the park's employee parking lot. The ride would be similar to Wonder Mountain's Guardian, which is a roller coaster that also has interactive shooting sections using large video screens. And now we have some solid details. First, Lagoon trademarked the name Primordial for a roller coaster, and now a large construction project has begun in the employee parking lot. This drone footage from January 2019 shows they've been busy building foundations for sections of the ride. The fenced-off construction area looks to be a perfect fit for an oval mountain and a rectangular garden. The area they fenced off when they built Cannibal mostly fits inside of it. Recently, Lagoon submitted 6 potential logos for Primordial to the trademark office. There's a flying skull, a creepier flying skull, a saber, a birdman thing, a diamond portal, and a crescent eclipse. We even have a hint as to what the ride might be like. Lagoon works with ART Engineering to build their roller coasters. ART Engineering also built Wonder Mountain's Guardian together with Triotech, who created the interactive parts of the ride, and this is their concept for the next generation of roller coaster shooting rides. The concept shows regular roller coaster sections separated by interactive screens in front of unique ride elements like an elevator lift, a track reverse switch, and a free fall drop. Of course, we won't know everything about Primordial until the ride opens, which will most likely be in 2020. But if you want to keep updated, check out Crossfire Gaming's channel. He's been getting new drone videos of the construction area every few weeks. There's a link to his channel in the description. Bye!